Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we're going to set up a timed access level. By using this feature, it allows timed control to a door or area. In this example, we will create a time schedule for users to only have access during working hours. However, other users will have full unrestricted access to the area. Let's switch over to the software now and we can start configuring. Okay, with the Pac Central software running, we can make some changes. So I've got a working system already. I've got a couple of tokens here. Let's have a look at WB card. Let's double click on that. Access groups. You can see the access groups available to this user. Access all areas, weekends and weekdays, or timed group. That's a group we've already set up. That's just to give free access at certain times. But we want to restrict WB at certain times. So first things first, we need to go to time and mode profiles. We need to click new and create a new time profile. Let's give it a name. Let's say we call it general office. Description, if you want to give it the time so it appears here, you can do. When's it valid from and to? So hopefully if you put your mouse around there, and it should 9 to 1600 hours, we could stretch it to another hour. So that's the old 9 to 5. Right click, copy that, and then paste that into the days you want it to take effect. Once you've done that, click add. And now you can see general office is applied and it's a weekly rule. We then need to go to access groups and put these doors into a group. So let's click on new. Give it a name. We'll call it timed. This. Click on the access tab, profile 1. If we don't click on profile 1, everything is affected, but we want it to be general office. And which area is general office affected by? We're going to say it's the main office. General office being the time we've just created. Click on add. And there we are. We've set up a time zone. The user WB can only get in between 9 and 5 on the days we selected. So what we have to do though is go to key holders, go to WB, access groups, but this time we need to make sure we've put them in the timed access group, unticked access all areas, and click update. So now that user has only got access in the timed access zone. However, if we go to another user, if we go to SL, you can see they've still got access all areas. They've got full 24/7 access. And there you are. That's how you would set up a timed access group in the Pac Central software. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.